Biya kamal gwasame ban racha katin konlat Karodian rawi ke sa Sudan no ukorach katin kontelat Karodian ka kwi unity 58 million US dollar tin content shawes kiir mayardit ka kwi meshni maitinen yan ka to gwasamone kiir mayardit ka gwasam bar chiko ngaje no ure which che jega long but right now guru jeno beja queen ya gwasame guru jeno ba queen ya ka to English first and then bana kulu we katin kokian. Okay, in this report chala dugonene in March 2025, okay, March 2025, fighting broke out in Nasser County. According to the government, the White Army and forces linked to the SPLA-IO attack SSPDF garrison known as which Yaradu. The government say it was a planned attack. The opposition said it was a self-defense. The community say they were caught in the middle, but what is clear is this. People died, property was destroyed, family were left in pain. And today, the special court is trying to find out what exactly happened. Okay? Ere kwere dana jitu ogdor chalka mewi yara diu chukume na gwanyen wo tukume spela yo tiken ketit katay dana chikori chitu ogaja. Okay. Ko bana kul rai ke kwi kwang tete no ngai ko ne South Sudan cha collapse chin economic cha collapse tele yo tele malatke. Okay, alo tele mele rode kwak diaal cha ke kiir everything din kondong de wije lat ke kiir kanang gwade mendana cha kanang tin so jen me jakon ko bana focus ke bana me bana jelin ke lan gwade dan ci yuchi ko tin ko yuchi kana balora bang. Okay, yo la baskan gwade dana cha ke mismanite ke cha ke yar anete tone kejen lere me ko bi kon politika ngech mi jidite mugwa bana we ka background dana chalat ke kwi kume murai keme kiir mayardit. Okay, bana right kwide on Wednesday the court listened to one of the main witness for prosecution, Major Peter Malwal Deng, an officer of the SSPDF. He entered the courtroom with document in his hand. According to him, the attack caused huge losses. He say 257 soldiers were killed. He say 16 more were injured, treated at military hospital, and even a senior commander, Major General David Majuda, was among the dead. Then he moved into the financial losses. And would me charwach along Ramadan la eyewitness came and chanangwalwok around SSPDF, by the way. Kenneth Kone ya jako bikan ka Nasser bikan teri ga dan cito bikan ogwit are raja mo chala do chidini kudang rawi jandang die chire barro shik liu kel ke General David Majuda are kor mo men chito, you know, a chikor mo chito, and we all know that no mi chito ka jen pai doke dan a me chana mo chalat ka bele kuma spela yo checho ka yuro ko kon la latin tama ka kwidien yo t 58 million US dollar. Kan yo ti ka yo meshni yo meni titi ka yo ti shalel a kiir mayardit ti kiir mayardit te yo do tone chagari aleka ala yo tin kon tin ko ga mech aken ko kon go right continent am eno en kiir point mi ko kon ne yo diala ti cha ko kon mech jenja char ka ta dan wo kume ki wona ka jere wi ke sos dan do dan tana ka je kaje report me mana jigno nene report an chalat jen wude mene me bakwen be ko nyolo ye wude shalka me jermal wal jeram dan la witness kiram dan sha kam long ko broch ja kam long ja kam power and be kume SPLA IO be jagwan ketin konder jagwan ke cause jana gon bang la jagwan ke cause dong lokaji ki nyer ke so jan down to ko nyer ke kume Machar, so for that reason ba Machar ba je dil use ko do dan de nyer ke je so re ler kana me mulin ko de mene ya Georgia gwan wonena Dr. Riek Machar reti jen gwadran teten chaja gwan no jen take tet Major Malwal gave a long list of equipment that was destroyed or taken during the attack. Take a peg kwang neti chalat. Nguri shal ka Malwal. Ken kwak to tone chalat o ka ti cha yar gwadran ti ko ye tok ten ka bel kan bel ka Dr. Machar. So chan peg dan en cha kwala ken chan jamenen ken peg kwang ni tin konen cha peg kwang ten cha dake tin cha yar. Here are some of the items. 557 AK-47 rifles, which is equivalent or value. The value of this item are around 800,000, 5,000. 10 RPG-7 launchers, value 35,000. 9 AV machine gun, 12.7 mm, value 126,000. And 7 armor personal carrier, value 49,000. 8 mortar, value 67,000. 2 BM7 weapon, value 450,000. 3 heavy gun 14.5, value 135,000. 4 mounted land cruiser, value 280,000. And 5 truck, value 15,000. 2 generator 50,000, a long range communication radio value 40,000 US dollar. He ended by saying the total value was more than 58.7 million US dollar. Alerling yana magwasa me report sha no nga jen wuda mo. Kwakten konen chala no chichum naka yuri chop ke 58.7 million US dollar kan yuri tone ka yuri akong match. Match to jiken chudi ni kan galat. A genere mani chame di chop ke la de kolar no klene ti chop ko kudang de ju jendi baro ti wati ka yu di chop ke kine de kudang badak yu de kine dang de US dollar ken na me ti chop ke kudang de jendi baro la AK-47 chikala de no te arfijin dang wel te katin ken 7 launchers mi moteken ga yu di chop ke kine de jandang jogu de US dollar. Chikala no ke 9 AV machine gun me ti dang bangwan 12.7 mm to take a yuri chop ke 126,000 US dollar. Kine to kor jandang red buckle ken me jitine. Ka me dang baro armor personal carrier ka me tone circan ka torbiali otila widena take a match ti chikala no tiken ke 49,000 US dollar. Ke 8 mortar to take a 67,000. Ke 2 BMs 7 mm weapon to take a 450,000. Ka may dang juk did ba 3 gun to take a yuri of 135,000. Ke 4 Monty Land Cruiser, yeah, terbil dan tu take a match take a yuri of 280,000. Ke 5 truck to take a 15,000. Ke 2 generator nyang karabaka to take a 50,000. Ke long range communication radio channel mana rakije ala chirega 3K en radio station en radio meden ara ke jamone ke jat take 40,000 US dollar. Madi en dial chicken kamat chicken e jegano ka euro shop ke million de shop ko jen DH with the badak 58.7 million US dollar. Yude ti ka yuri kan ladno cheriar chikariar ka euro to ano chibunen yana mono gwadmo ikwa kan mejeton kan metin kontin cha tin charior rei kure dana chituok chikem yadit charo de rele ke chela do chimeji ti chigabat so ngwa kure dana la chikume chikan la nono goinken Dr. Riek Machar anu Riek Machar jiram nan tiket pedin kon lat korodin chidaman ngai kon no ne siang te diala welat ga Dr. Riek Machar so man chituok gene mo kon la rek kwideme mi yude ti yudu ngwana ti tenen kon ka ti mika yude la tok te chalat ka kan torbiyele te tone in kon mi dung so sudan der ko le te che collapse de le move on chana we ka mando dien chalat gwaseme ajan wuri chalka Major Malwal. Major Malwal also claimed that the SPLIO leadership was informed ahead of time about the rotation of SSPDF force in Nasser. He said the SSPDF asked for safe passage. He said this information was instead used to prepare the attack. He mentioned 3 senior SPLA-IO officials by name. First, Lieutenant General Gabriel Doblam. Second, Lieutenant General Yedak. Third, General Dilinkek. He said these men mobilized the White Army. He said they did not report it to the army headquarters. He said they knew what was coming. These are heavy accusations, but in court, accusation must be tested and cross-examination is still coming. So jo chalat gwasme jenuri shala me malwal ka ta da chalu cha luke you know mukule beneko take yo teach of 58,000 ti cha kog metone chicken yes pela yo chicken ka gwanye no ngai yes pela yo engo take a force mi de no re wika juba ke turu malakal de ga nang re wika ka Nasser lo de nete konte la yes tela SSPDF de ko ger no kanete ko ne ngai ka Lieutenant General Gabriel Doblam chu kana jugono ka be tele ba ka free passage be jalora bang teram be nyot ngai Lieutenant General J Daka ngai General Dilling Keke ka joran ti kana gwas ke kana report anyo ki kana no instead o dong de malder bene jene kan senior official ti ka SPLA-IO pin Dr. Machar wachu kan jo Nuer waya mi en bena ko ba me kun ba ka kap ka ken ka report ke ko ta ka joran chalat ke but ti len kon ga ti ridi ande ka kaini ngode ka luko nan ben ba metti dialati ke ti chalat ne kan te ke metti shariar te ke ne ti gwainka ba mi shala cross examination ba jola daram dan right wuri shala malwala ba je nyom waje ti ke ti dial content tin chalat gwalok na ko te ngwane che nyotin video nyin ko te konde che to but mara content yana gwasme ta danen cha yurte cha alat kija okay ta danen cha alat kija go ite ka match ti cha ko ko 58,000 US dollar you know agenda no ko kon gorno ban focus tin gwasme kan yurte je kede wa ka je gwena dien okay medan chana ga ngaje no me nakana dor shalga me Nasser ci kon yalla ngaje no ci kuma kir ma yadi terodo realika ano bana be kana ci kir shi realika no benetin kontila Nuer be ga target gwaze dan ci ko ci tok tan ngai kon yalla so kan meti didati ti cha ja ka kir ma yadi de ka chala no te ka 58 million US dollar me de ti kwal ko ngone ko ba Nuer nak de wala temdo dien ma bala de ken go ba Nuer ba ko nak that was it telm do dien let kana tan jamin guch 58 million US dollar ti chalat ka ngade ko wade ti chalat ka match okay chalat ka match chicken manen wari kan ganak chicken neri kon tila gadi kan ganak teram pelkana mothers wife and husband children soldiers telan din Nueriba communities ne diality ten kon ya target ken ka ken equipment nen kon getine nak Nueri kake so man bianga jene ala economic dun South Sudan che collapse lora ba ko collapse ka ken ku yoni shop ke 58 million US dollar titi ala yu dial kwa direct by the way kwa direct ka ditch ajan kir ala ko direct ka kamet ko ba Nuer ba ko nak telm do din mi jor ku jemi gar me de kon olat ner kon kwa target ka kon ner kon nak kon so me diality kwa ka kir kodi ko biga Nuer biken kanak but ku kan kala nak ka jok Dr. Riek Machar mi moderate gente right now da metel power ka tel wanga jen gwasme so ne kon dial kon nak e kir mi yadit so any youth lingen no shin economy te jek chi muche tedi everything den kon lat kono gwasme e kume man right ke kir mi yadit point e jaram da nangna te rada dien nangna e kir so ci kontu ko kulun tama ano mediality di chari alakati ajen kuma kir mi yadit kwa ka ke ko ba Nuer ba kanak jen jodan le roda na mene ban je mu dien biatemal